In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TikTok Pixel ID. Before we jump in, here's the quick why. Your TikTok Pixel ID is the unique identifier you'll use to connect your website tracking with TikTok ads, whether you're installing it manually, using a tag manager, or plugging it into a commerce platform. Knowing exactly where to find it will save you time and avoid tracking issues. Start by opening your browser and searching for TikTok Ads Manager. You're looking for the official TikTok business site. When in doubt, check that the URL belongs to TikTok's business or ads domain so you land in the right place. Click the correct result to open TikTok Ads Manager. If you're prompted to log in, sign into the account that manages the ad account and pixel you want. If you have access to more than one ad account or business center, make sure the correct one is selected in the top navigation so you see the right assets. Once you're in, look along the top menu for Tools. This is where TikTok groups most of its setup and measurement features. Click Tools to open the dropdown. From the Tools menu, choose Events Manager. This is the central hub for web and app events, and it's where your pixels and datasets live. Give it a moment to load if it's your first time in the session. On the Events Manager page, look to the left sidebar and click Data Sources. This filters the view to show your available datasets, including web pixels, so you can pick the one you're working with. In the Datasets overview, sometimes labeled Web Events, find the specific pixel you want to use. If you manage multiple pixels, use the name, domain, or last activity to identify the right one. Click the pixel to open its details page. On the Pixel Overview page, you'll see the Pixel ID displayed prominently at the top or in a section labeled ID. This is the exact string you'll need to copy into your site, your tag manager, or your integration settings. Copy it carefully to avoid extra spaces, and consider pasting it into a note while you finish setup. If you don't see an ID at first glance, scroll the page or check the Overview tab. It's always surfaced there. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If the pixel you expect isn't showing, confirm you're in the correct ad account and that your permissions include access to Events Manager. If names are similar, click into each one to confirm by domain or recent activity. And when sharing the Pixel ID internally, use secure channels and keep it consistent across your tools. That's it. You've found your TikTok Pixel ID and you're ready to plug it into your tracking setup.